Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Intel Graphics User Mode 32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we prepare to resolve Intel Graphics User Mode 32, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This DLL file is a 32-bit user mode driver library for Intel integrated graphics. It translates direct 3D 10 and 11 commands into instructions for Intel GPUs, enabling 3D graphics for 32-bit apps and older game titles. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Because the Intel Graphics User Mode 32 DLL is required by Intel Graphics Driver to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Intel Graphics Driver ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Intel Graphics User Mode 32. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Please use caution. Replacing the Intel Graphics User Mode 32 DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for the Intel Graphics User Mode 32. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix the Intel Graphics User Mode 32. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.